Hello students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, Nina and Veena were Darshan's wives. He had no other wife. Deepika is Veena's stepdaughter. Then how was Nina related to Deepika? The correct option to this is option C, that is mother. The next question is, the six faces of a cube are colored black, brown, green, red, white and blue, where red is opposite to black, green is in between red and black, blue is adjacent to white, brown is adjacent to blue and red is at the bottom. Then which color is opposite to brown? So let me first draw a 3D figure of a cube. Now it has been given that red is at the bottom. So the bottommost is red. Red is opposite to black. So black should be at the top. So this is black. Green is in between red and black. So let me place green over here in between red and black. That is the backward side, that is this side is green. Then blue is adjacent to white. Now let blue be this front face and brown is adjacent to blue. So there are two combinations for this, that either brown can be here, that is on this side, and so we get white on this side, or white can be on this side and brown on this side. Then which color is opposite to brown? So in either case, brown and white are opposite to each other. So option A, that is white, is the correct answer. The next question is, it was Sunday on January 1st, 2006. What was the day of the week? January 1st, 2010. Option A Sunday, option B Saturday, option C Friday and option D Wednesday. So now, a year has 52 weeks approximately. And there are 365 days in a normal year and 366 days in a leap year. Now 2006 was a normal year, so we have one extra day. 2007 was again a normal year, so we have again another extra day. 2008 was a leap year, so we have 2 extra days, and 2009 was a normal year, so we have 1 extra day. So we have total of 5 extra days, because 52 weeks, so 364 days, and this is how we have calculated the extra days in each year. So 5 extra days, so that was give us Sunday plus 5 days, so Friday. Option C is the correct answer. The next question is, if in a certain code, daughter is written as TERDUGH. So daughter is, let me say order this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then TERDAUGH is 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then aptitude. If I also order this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it will be written as 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So UDEAPTIT. That is option B is the correct answer.